Hi everyone, it's Paola from WTI, and I want to show you this professional fragrance because we have been using it at our office and at our home. As you can see, we have a pet here, and this is her dog blanket that sits on the couch. I have been using this to help neutralize the smell, and I gotta say, my home smells incredibly clean. So this is the white tea fragrance. It is 100% oil-based. So it is very concentrated in here. You're only gonna need about 1 spray per room. And the smell will last all day. I would describe it as a clean, powdery, slightly herbal smell that is perfect for a calm, professional location. Not only does it make it smell good, but it neutralizes other smells as well. So in our office, sometimes when we have lunch, it can get kind of smelly in there. And this right here helps neutralize that really, really well. Just make sure you don't spray it on any hard surfaces. It is oil-based, fabric only. So if you're looking for a professional smell, this white tea fragrance is very pleasing and great for office locations or hotels. I am very happy with it, and that's my point of view.